Hello, little chef. Welcome back to ShinyTiny. Today, we are going to talk about something super important and fun, healthy eating. Are you ready to learn how to fuel your body with yummy, nutritious foods? Let's go. Healthy eating is all about choosing the right foods that give our bodies energy, help us grow, and keep us strong. We need a mix of different foods to stay healthy, like fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Let's learn about each one. First up, we have fruits and vegetables. These are super important because they are packed with vitamins and minerals. Fruits like apples, bananas, and berries are sweet and delicious. Vegetables like carrots, broccoli, and spinach give us strength and keep us healthy. Try to eat a rainbow of fruits and veggies every day. Can you name your favorite fruit or vegetable? Next is grains. Grains give us energy to run, play, and learn. Whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oatmeal are the best choices. They help keep our tummies full and happy. What's your favorite grain food? Maybe it's a bowl of oatmeal or a slice of whole grain toast. Now let's talk about proteins. Proteins help our muscles grow strong. Foods like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts are great sources of protein. They help repair our bodies and keep us active. What's your favorite protein food? Do you like nuts, beans, or maybe a nice piece of chicken? Next up is dairy. Dairy foods like milk, cheese, and yogurt help our bones and teeth stay strong because they have lots of calcium. Try to have some dairy every day. Do you like drinking milk or maybe eating a bowl of yogurt with fruit? Healthy snacks are also important. Instead of sugary treats, try snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. But remember, it's okay to have a treat sometimes, just not all the time. What's your favorite healthy snack? Maybe some apple slices or a handful of nuts. Now, let's make a healthy plate. Ask an adult to help you gather some healthy foods from each group: fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Arrange them on your plate and see if you can create a colorful, balanced meal. Thank you for learning about healthy eating with me today. Remember, eating a variety of foods helps you stay strong and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to Shiny Tiny for more fun and learning. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share it with your friends. See you next time, little chefs. Bye.